Guys, welcome to a new episode from Mallorca. We are starting today in Palma de Mallorca, and my goal is to show you guys the beauty of this island because it has so much to offer. And we're starting with the main capital here in Palma de Mallorca because it has so many nice things to offer, like food, sightseeing, and a lot of things to do. So guys, stay tuned for this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys after the intro. So guys, we are starting our trip to Palma de Mallorca with a beautiful breakfast spot. This place is called Mama Carmen's, and it's serving some delicious self-made cake, also delicious espresso to wake up. Pretty good guys, and the ambience of the spot is really nice. You can chill down, relax a little bit, and get some great food because we need some energy for the day. So see you guys. I just ordered a nice acai bowl and an espresso, and this is the perfect start for the day. Cheers! So guys, look at this. I ordered myself an acai bowl. Look at this beauty. It has flowers on it, some nice toppings, and also I think it's the best way to start a day in Palma with some fresh fruits. Energizing for the day. And guys, they also have our spoons that you can find in our shop. So guys, cheers to that. I think this spot is really good and a pretty nice recommendation. Cheers guys. Guys, the breakfast was amazing. You don't feel like full after it, you feel refreshed, full of energy. And we are starting here at the Cathedral of Palma de Mallorca, which is right behind me. It's standing here quite some time, and also it was built for 400 years. So it was the grandma, the grand-grandma, and the grand-grand-grandma that was building it, or the grandpa, I don't know. But anyways, you can check it out. It's a nice spot to see, and also you can go inside and have a view from one of these towers. From there you will see all of the port of Mallorca and also the city. And also it's a nice spot if you lost your friends. You can come here and say, let's meet up at the cathedral somewhere. Make a meeting point. And guys, we are going inside to the city, and I'm gonna show you guys a food spot again. Maybe it's gonna be a food tour, I don't know yet, but let's see and check out the city. Guys, it's going to be a food tour again, but behind me you see the oldest cafe in Palma de Mallorca, and I got myself some export. It's a pastry that you can only get on Mallorca, and we are going to eat it while we are exploring the city. So let's go. Wow, guys, my full camera is full of powdered sugar, and it's such a fluffy pastry. It reminds me a little bit of a donut and a croissant, like mixed together. Super nice, delicious, also with an espresso, but I thought, let's make a little stop and get some ensaimadas at the oldest cafe in Palma. I think you should do that, it's worth it.
Passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I so.
Alright, guys, I got you. Palma can be a little bit crowdy sometimes and a little bit noisy. But if you want to get and chill down a little bit, go for a little walk. Then I can recommend you Santa Catalina, which is a 20-minute walk from Palma. It's actually close to it, and it's a former fisherman's village, and it is transformed to one of the most beautiful little villages near to Palma de Mallorca, with a lot of beautiful houses. Like, it's really colorful, really artistic, and also you have like these 3 windmills that are standing for the old fisherman village, and it's a nice place just to enjoy, relax. And it's also one of the most hippest places here right now in Palma. You have like orange trees and everything, and also good food and restaurants. But I will show you right now some nice impressions here from Santa Catalina. It's beautiful.
I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
So guys, you know what Spain is known for. Tapas, good food and good seafood. And all that you can find here in Mercat Municipal de Santa Catalina. It's just a quick walk, like 5 minutes walk from the windmills, and all that I'm gonna show you right now inside because it's amazing. So what do we have here?
Mallorcan prawn.
Amazing, looks super delicious. So guys, you saw it, the market is thriving. There are a lot of guys that are selling seafood, fish, different kind of fish here from the island. Some vegetables, also flowers, a lot of ham and meat specialties, and also some cheese. And I got myself some tapas, which are some gambas Mallorquin. They are infused with some garlic, freshly made with some chilies and some parsley. And you cannot get a better spot than this, because the food that they serve is actually here on the market, super fresh, and then they serve it right next to you on the table. So guys, you have to check this spot out. It's absolutely unique and amazing, and the atmosphere is super nice. So guys, if you are interested in more tips about Mallorca, I made the ultimate travel guide for you guys, so you are prepared best for your holidays. There are more food spots, more hidden gems, and also I made a list of Airbnbs that you can check out for backpackers, like solo travelers, for couples like 50 euros the night, and for groups where you can find villas with amazing pools which are not expensive at all. So check that out guys, and enjoy the rest of the video. So guys, in case you are strolling through Palma de Mallorca and are wondering what kind of flags these are, so this is the Spanish flag of course, and right next to it, it's the flag of the Balearic Islands, which is including Ibiza, Mallorca, Menorca and Formentera, and I don't know if there's another island, but these are the islands and this is the flag. So not only do they have their own flag, but also they speak their own language, which is also Spanish, but it's Mallorquin, which has a different dialect, and also some words have a different spelling, and also some words are totally different than the Spanish that you get taught in school. So just letting you know guys, Mallorquin is the main language here. So guys, I sweat my ass off and we got some amazing food. But right now, the only thing I need is a refreshment. And don't worry, we're not gonna eat some ice cream, but I have something different in mind. And now we're heading there. But first of all, we need to find our car. I don't know where it's parked, but we'll find it somehow. Guys, we're coming to the next spot, but first, please, some applause to me, because I parked in the middle of Palma without parking assistance, and it's perfect. Also, I didn't hit the tree. It's a masterpiece. Thanks. So guys, after all this running through the streets of Palma de Mallorca and having food, we need a refreshment, and I think jet ski is the only way. So I booked a tour with Chili's, which is a brand new company here in Palma de Mallorca. You will find them in Port News. And yeah guys, hit them up if you want to have a nice jet ski tour, because they have some great Sea-Doos, actually brand new. They have 90 horsepowers. And we will do a tour that's 1 hour. We will drive to one cave and then back, and we will have some fun on the way and some hopefully nice refreshments. So see you guys on the water. Guys, the jet ski ride was absolutely amazing, and right now I landed again in Santa Catalina, and I wanted to show you guys some nice seafood bar with some good ceviche and some nice fish, but they didn't let me in. They said it's too full, but I think it's because of my outfit, because everything here is so noble and you have to be made up somehow. But I found one shop that will let me in, and it's ramen by Izakaya, and you know guys, I love ramen soup, so let's go inside and check it out. So guys, my ramen just arrived. Look at this beautiful thing, and let's have a try. It tastes also good. Pretty good. Also, they let me in. I was so hungry, guys. But actually, the one in Utrecht in Netherlands, one of my favorite shops. Nothing beats them, but this is also good. So if you're in Palma, check this spot out. Oh, so guys, absolutely amazing. It's really spicy, creamy, and tender noodles. So pretty good, but nothing beats our spot in Utrecht. But anyways, if you're here in Palma, if you are dressed like me in some board shorts, they will let you in, and it's really good. So really recommend this place. Not typical Spanish, but anyways guys, you can have it all. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour through Palma de Mallorca. It was an absolutely blast. I'm so full, it was amazing, and also the jet ski ride was just fantastic. And guys, if you stick along with the channel, then you will see in the next episode one of the craziest viewpoints in Mallorca and one of the craziest routes that you will ever find on the world.